How to install two WhatsApp in one Android phone. So first of all, make sure you already have one of the WhatsApp app. If you don't have, you can open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp and you will get the app. So the app look like this. You can simply tap on install button and install your app. And once you have installed one of the apps, you can go to the settings on your Android device and search for Dual. Or if you don't have dual messenger option, then you can also search for clone and you will see the option of app cloner. Both of the options are same. And once you open it, you need to simply select WhatsApp and you can simply turn on the button and create app clone. When you toggle on the button of create app clone, your dual apps will be already created and shown on the home screen. So in this way, you can easily install two WhatsApp in one Android phone. One is the original and another is the clone app. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.